Welcome back, Kiddo's World. Hello, cuties. Today we learn A-letter words. Let's go. A for ant. Ant. A for apple. Apple. A for alarm. Alarm. A for avocado. Avocado. A for ambulance. Ambulance. A for angel. Angel. A for archery. Archery. A for arrow. Arrow. A for apricot. Apricot. A for alligator. Alligator. A for airplane. Airplane. A for arm. Arm. A for astronaut. Astronaut. A for art. Art. A for app. App. A for eggs. Eggs. A for alphabet. Alphabet. A for almond. Almond. A for apron. Apron. A for aloe vera. Aloe vera. A for animals. Animals. A for air. Air. A for anchor. Anchor. A for actor. Actor. A for angry. Angry. A for armchair. Armchair. A for auto. Auto. A for aquarium. Aquarium. A for airport. Airport. A for accident. Accident. Thank you for watching. Bye.